Namaste students, Khushro Bhatia. I, JP and Dr. Vaijendra, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the structure of actin. Actin's amino acid sequence is one of the most highly conserved form of a protein, and it changed a little bit with the course of evolutionary changes. Uh, from species to species, with a 20% in diverse like from as in algae or a human. Uh, it is therefore considered as an optimized structure, and that further has a it is an enzyme that slowly hydrolyzes the ATP or a universal energy currency of biological process. However, the ATP is required in order to maintain its structural integrity. Its efficient structure is a form of almost a unique folding process. In addition, it is able to carry out an interaction that any other protein which allow to form a wider variety of functions than that of the other protein at almost every level of a cellular life. So myosin is an example of a protein that bound with actin. So another example is valine, which can wave the actin into bundles or cut the filament depending on the concentration of a calcium cation in the surrounding medium. So here the actin is one of the most abundant protein in a eukaryotes, whereas it is found throughout the cytoplasm. In the muscles fibers, it comprises of 20% of the cellular protein by weight and between 1 to 5% in other cell. So, however, uh, the type of actin or the gene that codes for the actin are defined as the gene family, or we can call it as a family that in plant contains more than 60 elements, including the genes and pseudogenes, and in human it is almost 30 elements. So these means that the genetic information of each individual containing the instructions that generates the actin variant for the isoforms that can possess slightly or different functions, which in turns may be a eukaryotic organism express a different gene than that of the other alpha actin, or which forms in the contractile structure, that is the beta actin, forming the expanding edges of the cells that use the projection of their cellular structure as their means of mobility, or the gamma actins, which is found in the filament of the stress fibers. So, in addition to the similar here exist between the organisms or a isoform, there are also an evolutionary conservation in the structural and the function even between the organisms contained in between or different eukaryote domains. In bacteria, the actins homologues or has been identified, which were the protein that is capable of polymerizing into a microfilament or the archaea. So the cellular actin has two forms, that is polymonomeric globule called G-actin or polymeric filaments called the F-actin. The F-actin can also be seen as a microfilaments or the two parallel F filament strands with which rotates 166 degree to lie directly on the top of each other. So which creates a double helical structures in the microfilaments found in the cytoskeleton. So the microfilaments measures approximately 7 nanometer in diameter with the helical repeats of every 37 nanometer. So each molecule of actin is bound to a molecule of adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP, and adenosine diphosphate ADP, which can be associated with the magnesium cation. The most common form of actin when compared to all the other possible combinations are ATP or G actin and ADPF actin. So the G-actin, when we can see in a scanning electron microscope, which indicates the globular structure, that is the however, in X-ray crystallography, which shows each of the globules consist of two separate by the cleft, and these structure represent the ATPase codes, which is in the center of an enzymatic catalyst that bind the ATP and magnesium and hydrolyzes the former to the ADP and then form the phosphate. So this fold is conserved and the structural moffates, which also forms the other protein interacting with the triphosphate nucleotide. So such as an hexokinase or an enzyme used in the enzyme metabolism or HSP70 proteins, a protein of the family that plays an important role as a part of protein folding. Okay. So the G-actin can also be function as it contains the ADP and ATP as a clip as its clip or which can be forming the bounding of ATP predominant in the cell when actin is present in the free state. So in the X-ray crystallography model, we can of actin can produce here the straightened muscles can be formed in when we see for any of the living organisms here. So the primary structures which was determined like the peptide sequence of having containing the different amino acid and residue or end terminal of highly acidic the primary structures, secondary structural domains having the two structural secondary structural domain here separated by a small large and small which is separated by a cleft of center around the location and bounding the ATP, ADP and PI forming a deeper notch for the groups or as native states. And other important structural that is the beta sheets or composing the beta mentor on beta alpha beta clockwise units. So the adenosine nucleotides bind site is located between the beta two beta herpins and shapes and which penetrating into the one and third domain. The residue of that involves are ASP11, lysine 18, and ASP154, histine 161 respectively. So the divalent cations bound inside of the locations may be adenosine nucleotide, which is often formed by the magnesium or a calcium by forming a chelate structure made by the lysine 18 with two oxygen molecules and an alpha and beta phosphate. So it may be highly that there are at least three or other centro with a lesser affinity or intermediate forming divalent cations here. So F-actin, where these are classified as a filamentous structure, considering as a single strand 11 helix here, so which form a dextro-rotatory helix or levo-rotatory helix of 166 around the helical axis and the axial translation of 27.5 angstrom or a single strand dextro-rotatory helix with a crossing over of 350 to 380 angstrom with each actin surrounded by the four or more. The symmetry of the actin polymer of at 2.17 subunits per turn of an helix is incompatible with the formation of a crystal. The F-actin is considered to be the structural polarity with that forming a microfilament subunit or a point towards the same end. The actin can spontaneously acquires a large part of the tertiary structures and it acquires the full functional forms and newly synthesized native form of the special or almost unique in the protein chemistry. The reason in special routes which is needed to avoid the special or incorrect folding of the actin monomers and the forms which would be a toxic as they can act inefficient polymerization of the terminals. Nevertheless, it may be a key establishment for the cytoskeleton in addition to that of the essential process for coordinating the cell cycle. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we'll discuss in the problem solving session. Thank you.